Here is everything you need to know when you're looking for DSCR financing on your Airbnb. I'm Jason. I'm the owner of Jaken Capital. We do real estate investment financing, hassle-free for real estate investors just like you. You can submit your deal on our website or give me a call or text at the number above. So if you are going to go the DSCR route, that means getting a loan based on the income potential of the property, you've got basically two avenues to go. The first avenue is if it's not yet stabilized, meaning it's not producing income, you're going to have to use the AirDNA numbers, which we can underwrite to. And if you're a newer investor, meaning you don't own any Airbnbs and this is your first one, we'll take 75% of those numbers and underwrite it to those. If you're an experienced investor and this is just your new Airbnb and it's not stabilized yet, we can use the full AirDNA numbers. The second option is that if your property, really it matters when if your property is producing income, let's say you're in bridge debt, you got it stabilized and you're ready to refinance into the long-term loan. If you want to use the actual income of the property because it outperforms AirDNA, we can do that too. You just need to make sure that both of these things are true. You need to make sure that you can pull receipts off the booking website that you're using, whether it's booking.com, Vrbo, or Airbnb. And you have to be able to show that you're actually receiving that money, meaning it's going into your bank statement. So for the type of documentation we would want to see a longer set of bank statements to substantiate that you are getting the income from the property. As long as the numbers work out and your DSCR is above 1, we can do it. We can put you in a 30-year fixed loan just like long-term rentals. Rates right now are going down. We're seeing, still seeing 7 to 9, but it's starting to creep down. And that's like a 2 to 3 week close. All in all, credit does matter like it does for a DSCR loan, but the income of the property is what's going to control the majority of the terms. If you want to talk about this over the phone without filling out a bunch of paperwork, let's go ahead and do that. I can run numbers on the phone to show you what your property comes out at, and you can determine whether we should underwrite to long-term rental numbers or use the AirDNA numbers. If you have any questions about that, call or text above or submit your deal on the website. Look forward to talking.